guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Target beauty box. This is the second box from the January collection. They released 2 boxes. This was $7 as well. You get free shipping and free returns if you don't like it, and you can only order the box offline. And it comes in a very sturdy box, and it had plastic on it, but I took it all off. And the lids just come off like this. And it comes packaged like this with this card on top. And this particular box is called Clean Up Your Beauty Routine. And it also comes with a coupon. It's on the back of this card. $15 off. A $15 purchase and you get $3 off when you buy cosmetics, skincare, and hair care. And the coupon is due February the 2nd. You can order it offline or inside the store for your $15, but online they have the promo code on the back of this, and inside the store they have the barcode. And I'm just going to open it and go from there and tell you guys what's in the inside. First, we have this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Oil Formula Body Lotion. It's organic, extra virgin coconut oil. Tahiti Munro provides 24-hour hydration, leaving skin soft, supple, silky, and smooth. And this is a 1.76 ounce. It smells really good. I'm not going to push it because I don't want it to burst out of it. Next we have this Lumena North Sea Cleansing Balm. It's Arctic Cloudberry Seed Oil, Radiance Enhancing North Sea Complex, and Vitamin C. Instantly energized, smooth skin for a brighter, younger looking complexion. Never heard of it. This says Pure Glow Cleansing Balm. This is how it looks. And it is 0.5 fluid ounces. Next we have this Lumena North Sea Arctic Berry Oil Cocktail Replenishing Blend of Vitamins, Omega Fatty Acids, Pure Acid, Spring Water perfectly hydrates skin, revealing a radiant, velvety complexion. Never heard of this either. But this one they only gave you like a little package. They didn't give you like a full thing. And it's 0.07 fluid ounce because you're probably going to get one use out of this. So I don't know. I'm going to have to read the directions on the back when I use it to figure out how to use it, because I've never seen this before or never even heard of it. Next we have this Native Deodorant Mini Charcoal. Now they sent me like the lavender one before in a different box like last year, but it was okay. It's a long-lasting odor protection that goes on smooth and smell addictively good. Native Charcoal Deodorant has fresh mineral scent with citric undertones and the power of charcoal. Last year I couldn't even figure out how to open it. I was trying to like twist it, but I don't know what was wrong with me. But it looks like this. It looks like black or gray or whatever. Again, is this Native? But it's good for travel. You can put it in your little bag or at the gym. This is 0.35 ounces. So it's very small. Here's the next thing. There's only one in here, so we're gonna see how this goes. But it's the Yanni Travel Shower Sheet Body Wipe. Oversized, super soft, moist body wipes made with natural purifying neem, peppermint, and citrus smell. Delicious and instantly cleanse So you will feel fresh and so clean anytime, anywhere. I guess it's just like if you don't have time to shower or have like a wet rag or something like that, you can use this to freshen up a bit. That's what I'm assuming this is for. So if you have like a very long flight and you're on the plane for at least 6-7 hours, you can use this to freshen up yourself in the restroom. And this is moist already, so and it, again, is only one wipe. And I've never even heard of this at all. So next we have the Burts Beads Fluoride Free Purely White Zen Peppermint Toothpaste. I didn't even know Burt's Beads made toothpaste. And it's the 0.85. It says fluoride free. And then on the back they have a coupon. Let me cover up my coupon. On the back they have a coupon for $1 off when you buy the 4 ounce. So the big one. So this is this. Let me see if I can smell the peppermint here. So it's small like this. So it's like a travel size again. Oh, it's sealed, so I can still smell the peppermint through it though. Next we have this Love and Home Planet laundry detergent, lavender and argan oil, and it comes with 8 ounces. Now this is like one of the new brands at the store, and it has a $2 coupon off the front. So yeah, the little goes a long way with clothes. With our concentrated laundry detergent is made from plant-based cleansers. So it's smart and it detects the type of stain it encounters. I've never heard of that. Plus it's vegan and cruelty free. Blended with ethical source Moroccan argan oil extracts and infused with calming scents of French lavender. I've never seen, I don't want to take the thing off, but I've never seen laundry detergent with oil in it. That's very weird. I'm just going to take the coupon off the front so you can see how it actually looks. This is how it actually looks. And it's 8 ounces, so I can get a few loads out of this. And it's just me, so yeah. I don't know how much the big one costs, but it is a $2 off coupon on here now. Next we have this Mrs. Meier Oat Blossom Hand Soap. Special recipe of aloe vera gel, olive oil, unique blends of essential oil creates a non-drying, suffering cleansing, even the busiest of the hands. So this is just like hand soap. Mrs. Meier is like one of their cleaner brands at Target. It's like, I don't think it does have like a lot of chemicals and stuff in it like that. So, but yeah, it says hand soap, so you only can get probably 2-3 uses out of this. So yeah. Nexus is Up and Up Premium Rounds, dual-sided, designed to make 100% pure cotton strong, soft, lint-free, making it perfect for all of your skincare needs. And there's only 2 in here, so it's just like a little thing to, I guess, remove your eye makeup and apply serum and toners and stuff like that. So, and it does feel really, really soft. Really soft, so. And again, this box was to clean up your beauty routine, and it was 9 items in this box. I'm going to go back through them to show you guys what's inside again. First we have this Palmer's coconut oil. body lotion. Next we had this Lumena Vitamin C Cleansing Balm. Next we have this Lumena Berry Oil Cocktail. Next we have this Yanni Travel Shower Wipe. There's only one in here. Never heard of it. Next we have this Burts fluoride free toothpaste, and it also has a $1 off coupon on the back, and that coupon doesn't expire to December of next year. So they gave me like a year, over a year, almost 2 years to use this, because this is just now January 2020. And this doesn't expire to next year, 2021 of December. Next we have this Love and Planet laundry detergent, which I'm really excited to try. It's a $2 coupon off. I got to see how much the big one costs to see, because I'm quite sure the coupon is for the big one. But this is how it looks on the front. And again, it's cruelty and vegan like free. It's cruelty free and like vegan or whatever. Next we have this Mrs. Meier hand soap. And lastly, we have this Up and Up Cotton Round. You can remove your makeup or apply your toners and skincare, stuff like that. And again, it was 9 items in this box. And this box was called Clean Up Your Beauty Routine. Thank you guys for watching and tuning into my channel. Again, this was the Target Beauty box. This is the second one. And this was $7 as well. You can order it off Target.com. You can't order it inside the store. You only can get it from online. They have free shipping on the boxes and free returns if you don't like it. So this is the box for January, the second box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, share this video. If you want to follow me on my social medias, down below. If you want to donate to my channel, I have a PayPal email address is down below, and I also have a Cash App if you want to send me that. I have a advice column, DanniGivesAdvice@gmail.com. You can write into that, and I'll be sure to answer your question on camera in a dedicated video. I have ebooks on Amazon. The links for that is down below. If you have Kindle Unlimited, you get the read for free. If not, they're only 99 cents. I have Affordable Mink Eyelash Company, AffordableMinkLashes.com. Use the code YouTube for a discount on your purchase. If you order over $30, you get free shipping. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.